Let me tell you something most people won't. You're closer to making daily money than you think. Not weekly, not monthly. I'm talking about waking up broke and going to bed with cash in your account. In this video, I'm sharing the top 4 side hustles that pay you daily. And I'm not talking about theory. These are real-life hustles I've tested myself or seen work for my clients during tough times. And here's why you need to stick with me until the end. You'll learn what each hustle is, how to start, what it takes, the common struggles, how much money you can realistically earn. If you skip this video, you might just walk past the one side hustle that could change your life. So let's not waste time. Here's the first one, food and grocery delivery. What is it? You're delivering food or groceries to people using apps. It's simple. Accept the order, pick it up, drop it off, done. Now you can start. Sign up on the app of your choice, upload your ID, insurance, and wait for approval. You don't need a fancy car. I've seen people do this on scooters and bicycles. Difficulties. You'll need a bit of patience at first, learning your area, peak hours, and dealing with traffic. And yes, it can be tiring some days. But you should start. It's one of the fastest paying side hustles. You get cash in hand the same day using instant payout, and if you hustle during dinner rush or weekends, once it adds up quickly, how much you can earn. Most people make $80 to $150 a day doing it part-time. Some go full-time and hit 200 plus on weekends. What if I told you there's a side hustle next that doesn't even require leaving your house? Number 2, task gigs. So what is it? You get paid to help people move furniture, assemble shelves, mount TVs, or just run errands. It's an old school hustle with modern apps. How you can start? Create a profile on TaskRabbit or Handy. Add your skills, even basic ones like cleaning, lifting, or being good with tools. Upload your documents and get verified. Difficulties. You'll need to be physically active and possibly deal with last-minute requests. It's not glamorous, but it works. Why you should start? Because not everyone wants to sit at a computer to make money. This is a real-world hustle that puts real money in your pocket fast. How much you can earn? Depending on your city, jobs pay $25 to $75 per hour. Even just 2 tasks in a day can make you $100 plus. But what if you're shy or introverted? Don't worry. This next one lets you earn without talking to anyone. Number 3, micro tasks and testing apps. You get paid to give feedback on websites, scan products in stores, or take photos for companies. Super simple tasks, zero pressure. How you can start? Download the apps, make a free account, and complete a short qualification test, especially for user testing. Most tasks are available immediately after approval. Difficulties. The pay isn't huge per task. You'll need to complete multiple tasks to make decent money. And you'll need to check the app frequently for new jobs. How much you can earn? User testing pays $10 to $60 per test, depending on complexity. Others like GigWalk or Field Agent pay $4 to $20 per task, and you can stack a few daily. But now, let's talk about turning skills into instant cash online. With a hustle, you can start tonight. Fiverr Express gigs. You sell quick digital services like logo design, voiceovers, resume reviews, or even writing social media captions, delivered in 24 hours. How you can start? Make a Fiverr account, choose a niche, and offer an express version of your service. Use free tools like Canva or ChatGPT to help deliver quality work fast. Difficulties. The hardest part is getting your first review, but once that's done, momentum builds. Patience and consistency are key. How much you can earn? Anywhere from $5 to $50 per order. A couple of express gigs per day can easily make you $30 to $100, and it scales. So now you've got 4 solid side hustles. The question is, which one are you starting today? Because if you watch this far and don't try at least one, then you're choosing to stay stuck. And that's not the life you deserve. Making money daily isn't about luck. It's about knowing where to look and having the guts to start. I hope this video gave you that spark. Which hustle hit home the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more real, no-fluff money advice that actually works, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and take your first step today.